First go to the file and choose open. Select these two images. Click open. Open the document image window. Go to select and choose all to select the whole document. Open edit and choose copy. Now open the white paper window. Take a new layer. Open filter and choose the vanishing point filter. Select the paper. Now press Ctrl V to paste the document. Press Ctrl T for the transform option. Now hold the Shift and Alt buttons and adjust the document like this. Click OK. Open blend modes and choose multiply. Click on the add layer mask option below. Now decrease the opacity to 37%. Take the pen tool and select the clip like this. Right click on this layer and choose make selection. Click OK. Now take the brush tool. Set the foreground color to black. Now mask the selection like this. Increase the opacity to 100%. Open select and choose deselect. Let's see the final result.